welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, hi, how you doing? The name is Millie. Very nice to meet you. I just came for a good video because today we're going to be talking about recycling, getting rid of things, and just cleaning out that spring wardrobe. Okay, spring cleaning, hello. All right, so I have a lot of clothes, and majority of them I don't need, I don't wear, they don't get touched, they don't get looked at, and we're gonna be cleaning it up a bit. Okay, we don't need those extra clothes that are just sitting around. So in this video I'm going to be showing you several different ways that you can clean out your wardrobe and get your spring cleaning on, starting with your clothes. So the first step to clean out your wardrobe is actually going through your clothes. So in this step I like to kind of pile my clothes. So I'll make a pile for clothes that I want to keep, clothes that I want to give away, clothes that I think I can sell, and then clothes that I think I can upcycle, which would normally be the ones that I would keep. So I'm separating my clothes in these different piles, and this just kind of gives me a clear vision of what clothes I actually like, and what clothes I might want to look for if I want to go shopping later on. Because I've noticed a lot that some of the clothes that I don't want at all and haven't touched, they look very similar to each other, and when I go shopping I want to focus on clothes that I'll actually wear. Next, we move on to the different types of ways to clean out your closet. So for me, I kind of do all the things that you can do with clothes when cleaning them out. So I of course make a pile of clothes that I actually do want to keep and put those away accordingly. But then of course there are clothes that I actually don't want anymore. So my first pile is the clothes that I would want to give away. So these are the clothes that I don't think they can be sold because either they have too much wear and tear, or they're just faded, or they're outdated, or they're simple pieces. Like let's say if I had a white tank top, I wouldn't really sell that because it's not really like a in-demand product. So these clothes I would separate and find out where in my local area I can take them to donate, because you can take it to the Goodwill, or you can take it to an organization where they give clothes to people who need clothes and don't have access to places like Goodwill or clothing stores, things like that. Sometimes I actually do incorporate or include clothes that I wouldn't mind selling in those piles, just because if I were a person who wasn't able to go shopping and get new clothes, I would want someone else to share clothes with me that maybe are really cute, but they don't fit, but they're willing to give it to me without the intention of needing me to pay them for it, if that makes any sense at all. Just a kind act. I would want someone to give me something really nice, put it that way. So the next way I like to clean out my clothes is by actually separating the clothes of what I do want to sell. So these are the ones that I might take to a consignment shop or a reselling shop that takes your clothes that you have gently used, gently worn, and sell them if they are name brand, on trend, or just needed by their store catalog. So for these clothes, I'm looking for ones that are in pristine condition, no stains, no tears, no rips, they're not outdated. They do take vintage clothes, so if you have like a really cool vintage piece, they will definitely take it and give you, a nice little coin for it. But not so outdated where it's like looking dusty, looking crusty. Once I have these clothes sorted out, then I go ahead and seek where I actually want to sell them. So this is not a sponsorship, but if y'all want to sponsor me, hit me up, send me an email. But the first method I'll be using to sell my clothes is a super cool and trendy online shop called ThredUp. They send you either a baggie or you can use your own box, and they send you a postage stamp so you can put in all the clothes that you want to send to them to sell. And once they take it in, they look through it, they tell you if the clothes aren't sellable, so they'll either send it back to you or they'll get your permission to donate it, or if they are willing to sell it, they'll give you a percentage of what amount you'll be getting for them. So I think that's really cool and easy if you're someone who's kind of lazy like me and doesn't like to take the time to, you know, take clothes and go to 20 million different stores to see who will buy it. Because, you know, gas, time, energy. I'd rather just ship it off to someone else who will, you know, do it and do what they will with it. Yeah, so that is exactly what I did. I actually filled up 3 big boxes of clothes and mailed them out to them. It does take a couple of weeks to process, especially right now. But, I mean, it was clothes that was sitting around anyways. You weren't touching them anyways, so what's a little time? Okay, so another way to sell your clothes is, like I said before, going to consignment shops and secondhand stores that do take clothes. So a few clothing stores that do this are Melrose Trading Post, Plato's Closet. Another really good one that I love, probably my favorite one, is Buffalo Exchange. So all these stores do list requirements of, or just standards of what clothes they'll accept on their website. So definitely check that out before you head out to sell them your clothes. And they'll either offer you money for it or they'll give you in-store credit. So let's say if you sell clothes and they say they'll give you $30 of in-store credit, you can buy anything in their store that's up to $30. And, you know, the money that you just received as credit will be put to those clothes that you're buying in store. And since you're buying in their store, it has a greater value than if you were to just take cash out. Or you can, you know, just open up your own thrift store online and sell it that way. Depop, hello! Very trendy, very cool. Would recommend if you do like taking the time and energy to go through your clothes and sell them. Make you a little vibe going on, okay? And if you like to thrift and you see pieces that you actually want to sell from thrift stores, you can do that too and throw it on Depop and get you a nice little chunk of change. And the very last step that I go through when I'm going through my clothes is making a pile for clothes that I actually do want to keep. So maybe I want clothing that looks exactly how it is and it's like, actually, you know, I'm going to keep this, I wear this every day. Going back in the closet. Or I have pieces that I really do like, but there's just one thing that's off about them. So maybe they're too loose, or I would like to put patches on it, or, you know, it needs to be stitched up. Whatever the reason, I will take that piece and either alter it as needed or upcycle it. Let's say if a piece is really cute, it fits perfectly, but it just needs a little bit more pizzazzle, razzle dazzle, then I will upcycle it. So that's exactly what I did with my denim jean jacket. It was just a plain jacket. It has some like cool little studs, but I don't like plain Jane clothing. I like to stand out, pop out. So I ordered a few different personalized patches and I actually put them on myself. I'm gonna go through and like sew it too, but came out really cute. Now like my jacket is a hot commodity. I'm obsessed with it. I wear it with outfits that he doesn't even go with just because it's that cute. So, you know, just small little things that you can do to your clothes that you do like but just want an extra pop. So that is all I have for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you do decide to follow any of these steps, please let me know in the comments below or tag me in your videos, pictures, adventures, whatever you have. Tag me, tag me, tag me. I would love to see how you spring clean. Until next time.